Hey guys, it's Chesed Turner, and this is In Your Element, a series where I step into your everyday academics and activities. Last episode, we hung out with my friend Claire in the lab, and this week we're gonna hang out with my new friend Sierra in the ceramics studio. So let's go. So Sierra, what exactly are we doing here?
Today I'm glazing some of my pieces.
So these are all yours?
Yes, they are.
Awesome, they're so pretty.
Thank you.
So what exactly is your major here at UM?
So my major is graphic design.
Okay, cool. And what do you plan on doing with that in a future career?
Working somewhere in like marketing, making billboards, posters, and things like that.
Okay, cool. So how did you get into ceramics from graphic design?
So every graphic design major has to take studio art classes, and ceramics is one of the studio art classes that I chose.
Cool, nice. All of this is so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah. So with that, how has UM best prepared you for your future career?
So with the graphic design classes, I learned how to use so many different like programs and stuff, and also work with other people and get feedback to be able to make designs that are appealing to everyone.
Awesome, that's so cool. What else do you do here at UM?
So I'm on the bowling team, and I also do some stuff with like the tabletop gaming club.
Okay, cool. So with the bowling team, your season just finished, right?
Yes.
So how did that go?
It went really great.
Yeah, and you're looking forward to next season too?
So excited.
Good, good.
I was actually about to throw something if you want to join me.
Yeah, I'd love to. Okay, Sierra, I have no idea what I'm doing. Talk me through it.
Okay, so first you're gonna grab your clay
Okay.
and kind of pat it around into like a ball shape.
Okay.
And then I like to flatten the bottom a little bit. Yeah.
All right.
And then this is where the throwing comes in. Slam it on the ground. Perfect.
Okay.
Push it to the middle.
Right.
You got it.
There it goes.
Okay, so now you see the pedal.
Uh-huh.
You put your foot on it.
Okay.
And push it all the way down.
All the way?
As fast as it can go. Okay? And get your sponge. And then get it nice and wet.
Oh, I squeezed mine out.
And then put some water on both your hands. And kind of link them together.
Uh-huh.
And push.
Whoa.
Okay, make sure you like keep your arms really close together. Like you want them like locked in on your, like kind of on your knees, like this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put your hand like this now. We're getting there.
This is so fast. Nice.
Beautiful.
Do I just keep adding water to it?
Yeah, kinda. You just like get some more water. You don't want it to get dry because you want it to be able to slide on your hands. And then you just keep kind of repeating the process. So like lock your arms together and push up. And then put your hands and push down.
This is not going well.
It's okay.
This is why you're the pro and I'm not.
Yeah, it always goes a little crazy the first time.
Well. Awesome. Thank you for joining me on this episode of In Your Element. I will see you next time. Micah, this is a mess.